Hey guys, welcome back to another review. Today we are reviewing TENS Massager. This is another family pack. So we're just going over a couple key features just to show you guys what you get, the different colors, because there's so many options. You got A, B, timer, plus and minus for selection. You got mode. Right there's the A and B ports. On-off button right here. You have tons of different modes and different ailments that will help you. So you can select that. You got your charging port right up here. Inside, so because this is a family pack, they supply you with more than enough stuff and pads that you could use. If you're wondering where to use the pads at, I highly recommend checking out some videos on that. So there's dedicated videos on where you position the pads and everything. But most importantly, they provide you with a manual. You're going to want to take a look at that manual and read it all, because they actually go through all this different stuff. Recommended massage points, so they actually show you in the manual. So I recommend you actually make sure you read your manual, because that's very important, because there's a lot that goes on with this kit. And we could be here for 2 hours if I would explain it all. So we're just basically showing you guys what you're getting with this kit. You are going to get everything that you can need and then some. This is a nice little carrying case, so if you want to put it on your pant pocket, you can go ahead and do that. So that just slides right down in through here, and plus there's holes on the bottom so you can actually have the pads on while you're walking around or something with this. They supply you with a charging outlet as well. So you just plug the USB in there, plug this into the wall, and you can charge this on the go. So overall, very nice kit, and it can help with a lot of ailments, especially sciatic nerve.